Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at multiplying and dividing negative numbers. So the objective here is to multiply and divide numbers involving negatives. So the key idea, if we multiply a positive number by a positive number, you get a positive times a negative, you get a negative times a positive, you get a negative, and a negative times a negative makes a positive. So if you have an odd number of negative numbers, you end up with a negative number, and if you have an even number of negative numbers, you end up with a positive number. So here are some examples. So we need to calculate 6 times minus 4. So 6 times 4 is 24, but because I'm doing a positive times a negative, my answer is going to be negative 24. This next one here, I've got minus 7 times minus 5, so 7 times 5 is 35. So since we're doing a negative times a negative, we get a positive, so 7 times 5 is 35, and the answer is positive 35 because of the two negatives. This next one we're dividing, so 48 divided by 6 is 8, but we have a negative divided by a positive, so it's going to be a negative. This next one here, so 72 divided by 9 would be 8, and we have a negative divided by negative, so the answer is going to be positive. This next one here, so if I do 2 times minus 3, that's going to be minus 6, and minus 6 times minus 4, because we have two negatives, 6 times 4 is 24, and that's going to be positive 24, because a negative times a negative makes a positive. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so here are the answers to these questions. Well done if you managed to get those correct. And that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!